In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video presentation in Canva. So what can you do? First of all, simply go to canva.com in your browser and make sure you're logged in into your account. So you'll need to go and create, of course, a video. Go and create a video. And here, you'll need to go to this list panel. So go to Magic Media, as you can see on this list panel, Magic Media. And here, you'll have then to go and click on video or videos. Here, you'll have to create your video. But of course, on the free plan, you will get 5 credits. So you can create 5 videos. If you have a pro plan, you can create basically 20 or not 20, 50 videos because you have 50 credits. So yeah, you can now create your video presentation in Canva. Describe the video that you want. You can also use this Inspire Me. I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on generate video. This will take from 1 to 2 minutes. So you'll have to be patient a little bit and it will not take a lot, just 2 minutes maximum. And it should be generated. So let's just wait for it a little bit or I'll just pause the video and come back. So once it is created, as you can see, you should find this right here. You can just go and click on it. Once you click on it, it should be added here to your projects. As you can see, you can resize this however you want. And here's your video for your presentation. You'll be able to see it, you'll be able to play it, and you should be good to go. Of course, you can even make some edits on it. It's totally up to you. So that's about it. That's how you basically regenerate or make basically a video presentation in Canva. So if you have any questions, just let me know down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out.